better than the sun on your face and the wind blowing through your hair. Well, blowing through your scales?
You know, I gotta admit, when I saw the Black Rock Trail was leading us across the water, I had my doubts about converting the caravan into a boat. And, as it turns out, those doubts were not completely unfounded.
Don't worry! According to my calculations, we should just miss it.
When will you people learn to ignore the things I say?
Listen up! The most important thing is to remain calm.
Really? I would have thought the most important thing to do would be to not drown!
Eugene, Lance, grab the helm. We need to hit those waves at a 45-degree angle. Cass, Foot, empty the bilge. Max and Videla, help me get everything on deck tied down. And Pascal? You'd better get below deck and ride this out.